Welcome. This guided meditation will help you get ready for the week ahead. A week filled with clarity, confidence, and a sense of ease. If you're anything like me, work can pose a mental challenge, but yet and still, I put a brave smile on Monday through Friday as if everything is okay, but honestly, sometimes the struggle is real. So this is dedicated to anyone out there who may work or go to school that just needs a pick-me-up during the week. I hope this resonates with you, and let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, inhale deeply and let it go. Now set an intention for the week. It could be a simple phrase. I approach this week with focus and ease. I am open to new opportunities and growth. I navigate my week with clarity and balance. Whatever speaks to you, hold it in your heart and mind. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Let go of any lingering stress from the past week. Let go of any tension in your body. Right now, you are exactly where you need to be. As you continue to breathe, bring awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tightness, and with each breath, allow them to soften. Feel the ground beneath you, steady and supportive. Just like this foundation, you have everything you need to move through the week with strength and balance. Now bring to mind the work week ahead. Perhaps there are tasks, meetings, or responsibilities waiting for you. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, visualize yourself moving through each day with calm and confidence. See yourself handling challenges with grace, staying present in each moment, and making progress with a sense of purpose. You are capable, you are prepared, you are enough. Take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. You are ready for the week ahead. And carry this sense of calm and confidence with you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May your week be productive, peaceful, and fulfilling. Namaste.